neuroregulation, staying calm in the chaos. Why would you want to do that? Why would you want to do these practices? Because the world feels like it's falling apart. Truthfully, we have to work these circuits. And if you're not, you're staying in a pattern that has you out of balance. Because old guard leadership has told us to stay restricted, to stay in stress, to get pulled, to get stuck there, to hurt, to have pain. We have to learn how to move with it and shift it. And we've got to get the brain reprogrammed. The mind is the mind body complex. It's everything, it's embodiment, it's purpose, it's how you consciously position yourself in the world. The mind cleanse. We're cleansing out the survival brain patterns. We're cleansing out the physical sludge. We're cleansing out the energetic sludge. We are energetic beings with layers of stuff. We're clearing all that out, erase. But the biggest thing in the beginning of the mind cleanse and regulate is get rid of those survival patterns. Like, I'm going to resist this change. Freeze. I'm going to control this change. I'm going to avoid it. I'm going to deny that it even exists. So there are these patterns, and you have to want something greater that you don't want to avoid, deny, excuse until, like, the world will. I call this a universal smackdown. It'll go, it literally will wake you up. And if we regulate first, then at least we get the nervous system out of the sympathetic dominance track, fight, flight, freeze, fawn, and undermine, and we can come back to center into parasympathetic calm and at least make the decision of what I'm saying. Is it true or is it not? But if you're in fight or flight, you're not in a place that your nervous system can make that decision. So I was a search and rescue person for many years, and I learned that in order to triage a situation, I can't be like running in like, fire! Oh my God, the world is falling. In 911 rescue, you have to be calm, you have to be focused, and you have to be in that state of grounded non-chaos. And you have to be able to quickly bounce back if you do go into a panic. You have to come to center pretty quickly. Breath work, movement, imagination, the triad come together and they reprogram the brain and then the mind. And it's super powerful. If you're getting pulled, regulation is key.
Breathing life back into business. This is Leadership Life Force with Dr. Pam Denton.